Today we are going to learn about the image formation by convex and concave lenses. In the first diagram we can see the object is at infinity. So here we cannot see the object, so it is at infinity. So the incidental rays are traveled parallel to the principal axis. So after getting the refraction, the refracted rays converged to the focal point. So in this focal point, the image is formed here. So the image is point sized image. It is very small image. So the characters of the image is point size image formed here. And second one diagram, here we can see the object beyond the center of curvature, beyond center of the curvature C2 here. Next, the incident rays from the object is travel and through convex lens after getting the refraction. So the refracted rays goes here. Another ray from the object goes through the optic center. So the ray which goes through optic center not deviated. So the ray and refracted say meet between the F1 and C1. So the image also formed here between focal point and center of the curvature. So what is the characters of the image here? Real, inverted and diminished. And third diagram we can see here, the object is at the center of the curvature C2. Here also the incident rays travel from the object through convex lens getting the refraction. So here also we can see the image formed at the center of the curvature C1. So the characters are real, inverted and same size. So the object size and image size is same and real inverted. And next diagram we can see here, the object is between center of the curvature C2 and focal point F2. So here also we can see the incident rays travel from the object to convex lens getting the refraction and the image is formed beyond center of the curvature C1. So the characters of the image is real, inverted and magnified here. Next diagram we can see here, the object is at the focal point F2. So here also the rays travel from the object through convex lens after getting the refraction. So we can see the object image is at infinity. Why? Because the refracted rays are not meet here. So the distance away. So we cannot discuss the size and the nature of the image here. Next diagram, the object is between focal point F2 and optic center P. So the image formed on the same side of the lens towards the object. So what are the characters of the image here? Virtual, erect and magnified. So here also we can see the image formed near the object. So object is a small and image is a magnified than the object. So it is a virtual image. Next one, concave lens. This is a concave lens. So here the object is between center of the curvature C1 and focal point F1. So here also the incident rays travel from the object and goes through the concave lens getting the refraction the image formed between the focal point and the optic center. So what is the characters of the image here means virtual, erect and image.